Hello everyone, today we are going to deal with different tools, tips, techniques and ways how to avoid plagiarism, how to check plagiarism or how to reduce plagiarism. We are going to solve this problem, which is a main issue for the researchers, for the students who are doing their thesis works. And today we will go through different processes, different ways, different practical work which I am going to show you and help you and guide you how you can get. When I am talking about how to avoid plagiarism in an ethical way, in a pure format without copying the other's work, other idea, I mean write manually. 3 points which I'm going to share my personal experience and my way of working. Firstly, create your own idea. Use your unique work. If you are inspired of other works and other author work and other researcher work, do watch their work, their idea, look ahead what they have done and then key points their work and try to make more authentic and more elaborate work than their previous work. So you have to use unique idea, unique work which you thought you can do the other work or you can do much better as compared. It guide you to use the ethical way. Do not copy other work to follow the steps to publish your own work. Your work should be organic and it's also good for your knowledge and your progress in this field of researchers. Next step which I'm going to discuss is how to avoid plagiarism. Proper citation and proper putting of references are very important to avoid plagiarism. It is also a key point. You can place or you can cite the references according to your wishes or according to the requirements of your journals, your universities, but put it in a proper way, in a proper formatting, in a proper style. You can also watch my video in which I have shared all the ways, all the steps of putting a references, a bibliography in an article, thesis, review paper using different formats. So you can watch this video for your help. Next is how to check plagiarism. I will also show you how to check plagiarism by doing a practical work. First step is to use the paraphrasing tools. This is not an ethical way and I'm not sure and I will not recommend you to use these methods to remove by writing in your own words or by trying to change others' work by adding synonyms or by using the some tools, but it is for on a work done on a basic purpose on or just you are writing a review paper or research paper or your article. You can use this type of tools which I am mentioned here for only your help, your guideline. It's only for academic purposes. I am not recommended it, so please don't use them for your big publications. Here I have selected this paragraph from a blog published on Cambridge English. I am going to use 3 paraphrasing tools which I mentioned before: Spinboard, Quillboard and small SEO tool. I am placing this specific paragraph on this different tool and will show you how they paraphrase or how they change the context of the work or context of this paragraph. Some tools show many different results and they also give the different meaning of the topic discussion. As I place this article or paragraph on the Spinboard, and this is the answer that this paraphrasing tool has rewrite. As you can see, it is showing different result and showing that meaning which is very difficult or changing the complete context of the sentence. Now in Quillbot you can only use 400 characters, and if you have placed much character than 400, then you have to sign in for this. As you can see, I am placing it. You can see here, sign up for 700 character. If you can't sign up or you don't want to sign up, then it will automatically less your words according to this tool requirement and will show you the result, but it is going to changing the synonyms. This is done by changing the synonyms. So this is the best tool recommended if you want to do or change, because it is not going to completely switch the meaning of the sentence, original sentence. It will give a little bit change of changing the synonym as compared to that previous one. Spinboard. Now this is small SEO tool. It is also a good tool, but Quillbos is the best. It is also going to change the synonyms, as you can see, and it will not show more difficult meaning as compared to the Spinboard. This is the way of doing the processing, and this is the result. Look, the best thing in this tool is it will also show you the original word and the suggested that this tool has changed. You can see that this is the original one and this is the suggested one. You can check how to. One thing more which I want to share, if you want to check whether the article which is published on a specific Cambridge or an Oxford or any website they have shared their blog, is it plagiarism free? Is it that person all original work on idea, or he has stolen the work of others? So you can put it on the plagiarism checker and check that, and yes, you can see that it's only 12% unique and 88% the content is plagiarized, and it's also published on the Cambridge websites such as a blog. You can also do that. I will not recommend you, but you can also do this work, but in a better way. You can use Spinboard and different paraphrasing tools such as I have done Spinboard, and then check. After running the Spinboard, after using the Spinboard on that specific paragraph, you can check that how much plagiarism now it is showing. And now it's shown that it's 100% unique. So rather of placing others' work directly, you should use these tools only for academic purposes if you want to do write blogs or write something. But different tools show different answers or different work of progressing. As I have done in small SEO, I am going to copy this result, and also I want to check that how much pledge this tool is showing as compared to the Spinboard. I have copied the result and I am going to check the plagiarism. Now I am going to paste it. No, I am not a robot. Check. And yeah, it is showing that your content is 88% unique, that this one line is showing the plagiarism. Now if you place your result from Quillboard and check how much plagiarism is showing after the result, after changing the synonyms, how much pledge is still there. You can see it's 100% unique. So this is the way you can compare all the tools, and you can also place your own article, your own blog, but don't copy complete content. You can use these simple paraphrasing tools and tips to change something on that article. Don't copy directly each and everything. If you want to do a basic works using this different kind of tools, but Quill was the best because it's shown much relevant to the published work. It didn't completely change the idea as compared to all other tools, but these tools are helpful. So in this video I have covered the two first steps, that how to avoid plagiarism, how to check plagiarism, and on the next video I will share how to reduce plagiarism. I don't want to extend the lecture too much, that's why I have covered the 2 points: avoid plagiarism and check plagiarism. Do watch my next video, part 2 of this video, to understand about how to reduce plagiarism, the different ways of reducing the plagiarism. Meet you in my next video. Till then, take care.